Hello guys, I'm back to J Minor, and Happy New Year to everybody. It's January 1st, 2021, and today we'll be ranking NFL jerseys. We'll start back to bottom with the Washington football team. It's decent. I ain't the biggest fan of it. At the same time, I am. So I'm gonna put the Titans, New Jerseys. I think the old jerseys were much better. But these jerseys are still really nice. I'm going to say maybe Cookie Cutter with the Jaguars. Because Cookie Cutters are like the same. And the Jaguars logo. Jaguars uniforms to the Titans uniforms are, in my opinion, very close to the same. Next we have the Seattle Seahawks. I really like this jersey. And I've always been a fan of it. That's why I put it in fire. Next, we got the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. This one is very clean, in my opinion. I really like these new jerseys, and I'm a fan of it. I'm putting it clean. Next, we got the 49ers, the classic red and gold. I really like I've always liked the red on the jerseys, like the Niners, and the gold pants. Clean. Next, we got the Pittsburgh Steelers. This one is... Now we're going to change this to this one. There we go. So, pretty average. Steelers, in my opinion, it's clean now. Jaguars and Titans, I think they're decent. Next, we've got the Texans. For some reason, I've always liked their logo on the helmet. But I really like their jerseys too. I'm a big fan of them too. I'm putting it clean. You've got the Eagles. Jerseys are, in my opinion, pretty. I'm putting it good too. You get the Raiders. I'm putting decent. Next, you got the football Jets, New York football Jets. I know they tried to bring back the 80s font, but in my opinion, I think the old jerseys were a little bit better, so I'm putting this in that. Let's see any garbage jerseys here. No, I'm gonna put the Jets there. I think they should move back to their normal uniform from the 2000s to 2018. Next, you have the football Giants. Jerseys are much better than our Jets. And Penny's decent, they're okay. Next, you've got the Colts. They aren't good, but they aren't bad. They're pretty good, but these are decent jerseys in my opinion. They are very decent jerseys. Next, you got the New Orleans Saints. The New Orleans Saints. It's definitely not that decent. I really like this jersey. I think it's clean. Next, you got the New England Patriots. The Patriots, I like the font, and this is gonna be clean. I'm gonna put some jerseys like the Falcons, and I really like these Rams jerseys a lot. They should change back to the old jerseys, but they're still fire jerseys in my opinion. Any more fire jerseys? Nope, I'm gonna say the Bills is definitely clean. Broncos. I've always like the jersey. I have a lot of clean. The Lions, I think they're pretty decent. Helmets are nice, but the jersey, I think they're decent. They're nice. The Browns are meh. The Browns, I know, but I have to put them in that. Jerseys are, that's the best they can do with naming a team the Browns. I'm going to put the Chargers, not disgusting, but you know what? I just ain't the big fan of these. I ain't a big fan of Charger jerseys. I know they went back to like the 70s, 80s, 60s. I have no clue where they got the helmet and the number on it, but yeah. Meh. Dolphins, I'll do Vikings next. I like their jerseys a lot. Chiefs, they're also clean. I'll put what jerseys are decent. Cardinals are decent. Bears. I don't. Packers is a clean. Vikings would actually put them in decent. Their helmet's better though. Cowboys. I actually like the jerseys. Bengals. I've liked their jerseys a lot. I think they're fire. The Ravens, they're definitely black. Makes sense. I'm going to use them clean too. I know there's a lot of clean. And Panthers. First I'll do the Bears. I think there will be a decent one. Then finally, Carolina Panthers. I really like this jersey. It's got the turquoise with a cyan. These are clean. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year to everybody. And I hope this year will be a better year for everybody. But I'll see you guys next time.